Hello, I am Linda Johnson with Remax Results, and today I would like to give you a little look at my new listing at 51 Juntunen Rd in Esko, right down the road from the wonderful Esko schools, which have consistently shown excellence in education. Let's take a look. This beautiful brick home was built in 1958 and has been meticulously maintained over the years. The roof is only about 10 years old, and the windows were all replaced throughout the entire home about 5 years ago. The address of this home is 51 Juntunen Road, and originally it was built by Howard and Inga Juntunen, who operated a large dairy farm here, and obviously a very well-known name for the area. In fact, the original barn from the dairy farm is just about a block or so down the road. Here's a view off the back deck. See the horses grazing just on the other side of that fence. Again, I can't say enough about this beautiful yard. That path right there leads down to the river, and across the river is the athletic complex for the schools. And again, I can't say enough about this yard. It's just gorgeous. And right down this path here, we'll head to the river. And here is your 200 feet of frontage on the Midway River. Literally a path right out your back door. Okay, stepping inside the front door, we have a foyer entry with the staircase to the upper level, wide with a gentle rise, and a center hall all the way to the back. That door leads out to the back deck. Everything about this home is spacious and loads of storage throughout. Ample closets, extra bonus rooms, 2 linen closets on the main floor. Every room offers you space. This is my first video, so sorry if I'm not too steady. And every single view out every window is a beautiful wooded view. The kitchen and the dining area. Again, beautiful views. That door there leads to the garage. Hardwood cabinetry. All appliances will stay with the home. Cabinets are solid wood. Need to board your horse or want riding lessons? The well-known River Ranch is right next door. And I can't say enough about this beautiful 2.7 acre lot with 200 feet of frontage on the Midway River. Beautiful gardens established over many years. Really a picturesque setting. Main floor master, generous in size. Again, new windows throughout the entire home just about 5 years ago, and his and her closets. Main floor full bath with its own linen closet in the bath, and there's 2 additional linen closets in the hall. Second bedroom on the main floor, and this one, they tucked a little laundry behind that wall. There's also laundry in the basement. Okay, the 2 upper level bedrooms are massive. They are, you could do so much up here, so much space. Laundry chute. This closet you can actually step inside. And this attic area, yoga room, office, amazing walk-in closet, whatever option you need. Continuing across the hall. Now this is technically a bedroom, but they turned it into a little mother-in-law suite. And if you didn't want that use, easily disconnect that and turn it right back into one very large bedroom. Everything up here does function. And we'll finish with the little 3/4 bath up here. Lighted shower. So 2 bedrooms and a bath on each level. The main floor center hall, that doorway on my right leads downstairs to the basement. Laundry chute, again 2 linen closets in the hall, plus 1 in the bathroom. Ample closet space throughout this home. Loads of storage. It is literally out of the pages of Better Homes and Gardens. Completely lovely. And one last look. Here's the street view outside of 51 Juntunen Rd. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.